So hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a quick analysis. So yesterday we made a massive profits on Bitcoin on BTCUSD. It was a 1-to-4 risk to reward trade, and it was a gold sniper entry into that trade. So a student of mine said I should make a video on how I analyzed that trade and how I determined my take profit points, my stop loss points, and also my entry point. So I'll be making a quick video now to analyze the chart and show you guys how I made that entry. So right now I'll be sharing my screen, I'll be recording my screen so you guys can see how I analyze the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, I'm recording my screen now. So I'll be replaying the candlesticks to the point of entry so you guys can understand the analysis properly. So now we're gonna go, when I'm analyzing a particular pair, I first of all go on the daily time frame to spot the overall trend, because I always want to follow the trend. I don't want to go against the trend. So one of my trading rules is to follow the trend, follow the big guys. So on the daily time frame, we can see Bitcoin has been bullish. Let's go on the weekly to spot the trend from afar. Let's see how Bitcoin has been. So as you can see, Bitcoin has been bullish for some time, very bullish. The buys has been more than the sells, so the bulls are stronger than the bears in the market. And the Bitcoin market, so as you can see, our trend line is showing a bullish push to the upside. So we're gonna be looking for more of buys. So from this point, Bitcoin pushed all the way to this point, created resistance here, couldn't break through this resistance, so price pushed down, gained force, pushed up and broke through the resistance, and now this is the new resistance. This point is now signaling the new resistance point. So price came back again, because price usually, once price breaks through a resistance, it usually comes back for retest. So price came back to retest this point, and once price breaks through a resistance, that resistance becomes a new support zone, and vice versa. So price broke through the resistance, then came back to form a support, and now price pushed up again, break through this resistance, and now coming back to create the support. So on the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour, the market has been bearish momentum. We can see more of sellers on the 4-hour time frame. So let's go on the 1-hour. So on the 1-hour time frame, still more of sales. More of sales on the 1-hour time frame. So as we can see, price is already at a reversal point. So this is the recent resistance, which is now turning into this support zone. So price is already in this support zone, and now we are gonna look for more of buys because price is already reversing to the upside. So in the 1 hour, this is the new support zone. So price came here, couldn't break through this support, couldn't go lower. It went back up to create a resistance at this point, couldn't break through this resistance, came back down, making the second retest on this support zone, went up again, created a resistance, came back to that same support, which is making that support a very strong and valid support. So price went up and broke through this resistance points, which is now signaling the bulls are now in control. That's the buyers are now more than the sellers. So price came back again to retest this trend line, this downtrend line. So now I'm looking for price to show me a reversal to the upside, to show me a candlestick reversal, and I'm gonna enter for a buy because I have a bias on Bitcoin. The retracement is over now, and now it's time for the buys. Now it's time for the bulls. So let's go on the 15 minutes to spot a candlestick reversal. Oh yeah, so now this is a doji candlestick, which is signaling a reversal in the market, which is signaling the downtrend is over now and the bulls are now in control. So the bulls are going to push the market to the upside. So for a more good entry, for like a snapper entry, I'm going to check the 5 minutes to see for a confirmation, and now that's the confirmation, a bullish engulfing. This is an engulfing candle that shows price is about to push to the upside. So this was where I got my entry point. I got into the market at this point. Then my stop loss was below this recent low, and I was targeting this much. I was targeting 1 to 4. So this was my target, and this was my entry point. So right now I'm gonna play the candles so you guys can see how I play. And at my entry points, I shared this trade with my Telegram community, with my Telegram channel. At the entry, I shared the entry, the stop loss, and the take profits with them, so they can also make money with me, and those who took the trade with me made money. So let's play. Let's put this back on the 15 minutes so it will be faster. I'm sorry guys, let me take this back so you guys can see how it played out. Alright, so trade already going in profits, and boom boom boom, it was faster than I thought it was gonna be. So, and boom, that's how I made $4,000 on this trade, and I also shared that with the Telegram community. So this was how I analyzed the trade, my entry points, my take profit, and also my stop loss. So yeah, this is how I analyze trade and share with my Telegram community, and every day I share free signals on my Telegram community. So to take free profitable signals like this with me, join my Telegram, and to learn how I analyze the market, how I place trades, go on YouTube, join my YouTube channel and subscribe so you can see more videos, more tutorial videos of how I analyze the market. So See you guys on the profitable side. For now, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and keep trading.